Hello, beautiful people. Are you ready to move with me? With the sunset on my back? Let's do it. Come to the front of your mat. Take a deep breath in. Bring your arms up to the sky. And when you exhale, bend your knees and relax your chest on your legs. And as you inhale, open your arms, heart to the sky. And then exhale, bend your knees and relax your chest on your legs. Inhale. And one more time, exhale. Now stay here and grab your elbows and move side to side. Side to side. And then bring your hands down to the earth and stretch your spine, look forward and walk your feet back into a plank position. Okay, and from here, connect with your spine, activate your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, belly in. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, belly in. Exhale, look forward. And now move back to downward facing dog. And from here, I want you to find that wave in your spine. Come to your toes. Come to your toes. Start rounding your spine. Your shoulders start coming over the wrist. And then you bend the elbows. And you stretch again. Come to your toes. Round your spine. Find that wave. And bend the knees. And keep moving. Don't worry too much about this movement. Just bring fluidity to the spine. Enjoy the stretch. Enjoy your spine. Give freedom to your vertebrae. Move with your breath. Beautiful. And now stay in downward facing dog. And bring the right leg up to the sky. Bend the knee, and now I want you to do circles. This is called hip mandala in Prana Flow. You do circles, big circles with your knee. Beautiful. Inhale, and now keep the knee open, open the hip, and slowly bring that foot back. Let's do the left leg, left knee bends, and you open. And now draw a big circle with that knee. Open and open. Big circle. Move with your breath. And now stay open. And bring that foot down. And now look forward and walk your feet to the front. Exhale, chest to your legs. And now inhale and open your arms. Heart to the sky. And exhale, move your chest down to the legs, hands down. Bring the left foot all the way back. And now look at your right, okay? And now both feet move to the right, okay? And now you draw big circles with your arm. And big circle. Just express. Feel the freedom in every movement. And now stay, heart open into the sky. And bring your hands down. And walk your hands to the left. Bring your hands to your heart. And I want you to move side to side. On one heel, on the other heel. And one heel, and the other heel. And now the hands down to the earth. And just move your hands. It's like you're drawing on sand. To one side, stretching one leg, and the other side. And change. And now both hands go to the left foot. Turn, shift both feet to the left. And the left arm opens in big circle. 3 times. Heart to the sky. Enjoying every move. And now you stay opening. Activate the hands down on the earth. Your heart opens to the sky.
And then slowly, hands down to the earth. You walk your hands to the right. Stretch your spine here. Inhale, look forward. And exhale. Now your toes point out. You're in a high squat. And now you open your arms. And you exhale, bring your hands to your heart. And you open your arms. And exhale, you bring your hands to your heart. 2 more times. Inhale, open. And exhale. And now you stay in this goddess pose. You opening your heart to the sky in a high squat, strong legs. Heart opens. And exhale. Bring your hands down to the earth. Feet are parallel. Walk your hands to the right foot. Bring the left knee down. Right knee joins the left. And you sit back in child pose. Your arms are over your head. Fingers down. I want you to find that movement again on your spine. When you inhale and your lungs expand, your spine is rounding. And when you exhale, it flattens. Inhale. Exhale. Feel that natural movement in your spine due to the movement of your lungs. Inhale. And exhale. And now come to your knees, on your hands and knees, and move your hips in circles or like drawing eights with your spine. Again, feel the ocean running through your vertebrae. Find all those waves. Free form. Beautiful. And back to your knees. Move your hands forward and bring your chin or your forehead down so the hip stays over the knees. Find that buoyancy on your arms. Inhale, and when you exhale, you relax even deeper your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. And one more time. Move your body through. Belly down. And as the sun is going down, we're also cooling down. So your arms fixed, your forearms are down, and move your head side to side, or in little circles, or in little eights. And now use your fingertips to do Sahasrara Bhujangasana. This is how we call it in Prana Flow. It's also find the wave in your spine, on your shoulders. Connect with your spine and your shoulders and see what it feels nice. You can go high with your shoulders and move in freedom, releasing tension. And then exhale slowly. Rest your forehead on your hands. Deep breath in, deep breath out. And while you're here, move your hips side to side. Releasing tension of your lower back. And slowly, hands under your shoulders for cobra or upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. And let's find that movement that we did in the beginning. You come to your toes, and then you bend the knees, and you find that wave again.
Allow the breath to lead. Allow the breath to inspire you. Allow the spine to be flexible. Allow your mind to be flexible. And then slowly bring your heels down. Feel downward facing dog for one breath. Press the back of your heart towards the earth. And now walk your feet forward towards your hands. Exhale, chest to the legs. And now inhale. Rise, open your arms. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. And stay here for a moment. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your breath. Feel your energy. Feel your heart field and your energy field expanding. Feel your prana, the life force that is behind the breath, activated. Bring a smile to your face. Open your arms. Bring your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. And from your heart, inhale, open your arms. Exhale, hands to the heart. And one more time, you open. And exhale, back to your heart. Feel your feet grounding, touching the earth, and the crown of your head touching the sky. And slowly open your eyes and feel the benefits from every pose that we did and for all the movement and the activation of the prana. I am Pau. Thank you so much for sharing this sunset with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we can continue practicing together. Namaste.